Can we just flap or lol or something or both? I don't know.
Low.
Thank you. Wait, there's the indication. You fuckheads everywhere today, Alexi. Fuckheads. I need to be a policeman. I would love to like find all these people on their phones and doing stupid shit. I would be a fucking millionaire, wouldn't I? Police of Bristol, hire me, you bunch of bitches. There's so many people on their fucking phone today. I've seen another 7 people today on their phone. Is it fucking bring your phone to work day and just act like a knob in your work vehicle? I've seen quite a few today. Are people stupid? Is that I'm trying to like understand? Are they stupid because you get a fine and you get points, and if you still want to risk your license after that, then you must be stupid. There is no other theory I've got at the moment. You're just stupid. Stupid. Thick as shit. Although I do approve of his colour of choice, like a bright pink iPhone. That's a real man, that is. You're not on your phone as well, are you? Come on. Nah. So that's how you drive it. I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna slow down, almost stop. Then I'm gonna indicate to let everyone know where I plan to go as I'm turning the fucking corner. That's what I'm gonna. I'm just gonna drive like a dick from now on. That's the only way forward, isn't it? Everyone else seems to be doing it, so I'm the only one doing it right. If I start doing things wrong, I'll fit in. I won't be the odd one out no more. Fuck me. Bunch of dicks today. I would have moved over a few, but you know, you chose to drive on the path, so as such is life. Whatevs, good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. And good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Get off your phone, you silly bitch. What the fuck is wrong with people today? Woo-sa! Woo-sa! It's gonna be one of those days where everyone just acts like a complete bellend. I think it might be one of those days. Don't do it, 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 just stay there. No, don't do it, just stay, just please stay. In fact, reverse back now. Fucking idiot. Oh, like that is it? Fuck me. Sometimes you see people do some silly stuff and then you look a bit closer and you see dents and scratches and broken things, and then you come to the conclusion that they are in fact some kind of idiot. How bad of a driver you got to be to just get that many dents on your car and scratches and then think it's a good idea to duct tape your mirror back on? Badly, might I add. Conclusion of the day: idiots. Or special snowflake with code Honda Jazz for 10% off. Fucking BMW drivers. Big heads. I wonder if my editor would be kind enough to fix those brake lights for me. Now, the way I see it, you either got to be really unlucky and they've both failed at the same time, or you're just lazy. I'm going to go with that second option.
And if there's the police here, they would stop. If that was you, they'd get stopped, wouldn't you?
No bed. Yes. I love it when people beep at you and like, as if to say, I know exactly what he's talking about. I got a brake light out. My indicator's not working. I've got only 3 wheels in my car. Thank you. I've got like, you know, tons of smoke pouring out the back of my car. I got no idea what meep means. I literally got no fucking idea. You're no bad.
Oh dear, what's happened there?
What's occurred, Alexandroid?
Something about his bike. Scrambler and a dog.
That seems completely normal. Take your dog for a walk on a fucking bike, is it?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Literally, just fucking wow. You can't make up what's happening today. There's too many fucking idiots today. This is unreal. If I tell these stories to people, this all happened in one day, they would not believe me. This is all from one fucking day. Weather has changed a bit, but you know, never mind that. Go then! Go, 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 go! Just fucking sit in the middle of the road, you knobhead. Oh my god! I give up. I wasn't going to say anything. I thought it's a fucking idiot in an Audi. Just let it go, because he's obviously fucking stupid. And then he just sits there. Fuck, who's ringing me? Ah! Don't look at me funny. Fucking hell, man. I love people like that. They pull out in front of you, they make it, they scare the shit out of you, and then they look at you funny as if you were doing something stupid. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Well, now she's right up my fucking ass. Ah, welcome to Monday Mornings with Benji. Is she even driving, or is she fucking like sorting her hair out instead? I don't fucking understand some people. They're bizarre, aren't they? They ain't fucking normal. You're actually starting to piss me off now. I will slow down a little bit just to be safe, because there's Monday morning. There's many sleepy people about. We don't want to confuse anyone. We don't want to. Oh, she's gone. She's back again, yay! So yeah, as I was saying, there's some half asleep people. What on earth are you doing? There's some half asleep people here today, and we want to be safe. We don't want to like, you know, because it's Monday morning and confused people in Bristol and dickheads everywhere. So it's always good to be safe and drive a little bit slow, just to be safe. Oh, there's cars coming. Hang on, let me just let them through quickly. There you go. I am a good driver. I am safe on a Monday morning. This woman behind is starting to fucking irritate me. I swear to God, I'm just going to stop in the middle of the fucking road in a minute. Ah! Oh, don't go the same way. Don't fuck me. She's going the same way as me as well. A wise man once said to me, slow down to reduce risk if someone's like up your ass. And then another wise man said, slow down to fucking wind them up. Oh, she's gone now. What a dickhead. Some people just don't get the message. Don't do it. Don't be stupid. The speed limit's 20, you bellend. Fuck me. What is going on today? Why are there so many bellends about? Yeah, somebody said just slow down. They might get the message eventually, and like you go, oh fuck, I better stick to the speed limit. No. But they don't, do they? They don't get the message. carry on getting up your ass. The more you slow down, the closer they get. It's fucking bizarre, isn't it? What the fuck is going on today? Welcome to Monday Mornings with Benji.
Control the virus, go to work, sit in the sun, stay alert. We have a route and we have a plan. Work from home if you can. PPE to the people who need it.
There's no number plates on the back of your trailer, but that's the least of my concerns. I think lockdown is officially over and all the idiots have returned. Now, I thought lockdown would have eliminated all the fucking idiots. That was my impression. That's what I thought was going to happen. That was my theory at the time. I thought, this coronavirus would destroy all the fucking idiots, but that is clearly not the case, is it? That's clearly not the case, because they're everywhere and they don't seem to have been killed off. Coronavirus, you fail horribly. Do you know what, since I mentioned lockdown earlier, it's been so chilled and peaceful, with not many cars on the road. It's been quite nice. I've been enjoying it. And then people go back to school and it's now 3 o'clock, so as you can imagine, everyone's going to pick their kids up from school. Wait there. She's texting. Everyone's going to pick their kids up from school and it's just fucking mental again. It's like, I kind of missed this, but I kind of haven't, because, it's been chilled, hasn't it? Everyone's been chilled driving and it's just been nice, and now it's fucking messy. I just want to go home. Anyway, fuck it, subscribe.